Really, as constituents of Baringo South, we have lost a very dedicated leader, very committed. She has done a lot for the people of Baringo South.
As a county, we are really saddened with the loss of our MP, Mheshimiwa Grace Kipchoim, the MP Baringo South. So this morning we got the news, the sad news, and as the entire county we are so saddened.
For some time we've had serious security challenges in those two constituencies, and we've been able to very closely with our departed colleague, been able to work and deal with that security situation. And it is so sad today that Grace has left us.
I've lost a very dear leader to this country. Those who knew Honorable Grace Kipchoim, as many would testify, was a very humble, compassionate, hardworking and committed leader.